Welcome to the Natural Lifestyle Remedies channel, your go-to platform for all things natural and health-related. Our mission is to promote a healthier, more balanced lifestyle through the power of natural remedies. Today we'll be diving into the world of smoothies, specifically 5 potent anti-inflammatory concoctions that you can whip up right at home. Never miss out on our health-boosting recipes. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up if you like our content, and feel free to share this video. Kickstarting our list is the Blueberry and Spinach Smoothie, a simple yet nutritious recipe. This concoction requires a cup of fresh blueberries, a handful of spinach leaves, a banana for added sweetness, and a splash of almond milk for a creamy texture. Blend these together until smooth and voila! You have a power-packed anti-inflammatory smoothie. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants while spinach provides a wealth of vitamins. Enjoy this delicious blend of fruits and veggies and give your body the anti-inflammatory boost it needs. Next up is the turmeric and ginger smoothie, a spicy concoction with a health kick. This zingy blend starts with a base of almond milk, to which we add a heaping spoon of turmeric and a slice of fresh ginger. Toss in a dash of black pepper to enhance the absorption of turmeric's beneficial compounds. Sweeten it with a little honey or agave and blend until smooth. Turmeric and ginger are potent anti-inflammatory agents, helping to soothe and protect your body. Savor the unique flavors of this smoothie while reaping its anti-inflammatory benefits. Our third recipe is the pineapple and coconut smoothie, a tropical delight with powerful health benefits. The ingredients you'll need include ripe pineapple, which is rich in antioxidants, and bromelain, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. Then there's coconut milk filled with healthy fats and anti-inflammatory properties. Blend these together with a dash of honey for sweetness and some ice for chill. The result? A refreshing, creamy smoothie that's not just delicious but is also a powerhouse of anti-inflammatory goodness. Indulge in this tropical smoothie and give your body a dose of anti-inflammatory goodness. Fourth on our list is the cherry and almond smoothie, a tasty treat packed with nutrients. Start with a handful of ripe cherries, known for their high antioxidant levels and inflammation-fighting properties. Add a sprinkle of almonds, which are rich in healthy fats and vitamin E. Blend these with a splash of almond milk and a spoonful of honey, creating a smoothie that's both sweet and nutritious. This cherry and almond smoothie is a wonderful way to nourish your body. Treat yourself with this delicious smoothie and enjoy its anti-inflammatory benefits. Finally, we bring you the apple and kale smoothie, a classic blend with a health twist. Start with a crisp, refreshing apple. Apples are not only delicious, but they're also packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Next, add some fresh kale, a powerhouse of nutrients with significant anti-inflammatory benefits. Now, to make this smoothie, you'll need 1 large apple, a handful of kale, a ripe banana for sweetness and creaminess, and a cup of almond milk for a smooth blend. Start by chopping the apple and banana, then add them into your blender. Follow with a handful of kale, making sure to remove any large stems. Pour in your almond milk, then blend until smooth. The result is a vibrant green smoothie, brimming with nutrients and flavors that can keep inflammation at bay. Remember, the key to a healthy lifestyle is consistency, so make this smoothie a regular part of your diet. Relish this classic smoothie and boost your body's anti-inflammatory powers. We hope you enjoyed these 5 powerful anti-inflammatory smoothie recipes. From the antioxidant-rich blueberry and spinach blend, the golden turmeric and ginger mix, the tropical pineapple and coconut concoction, to the sweet cherry and almond fusion, and lastly, the green apple and kale delight. Each one is packed with health benefits, aiding to reduce inflammation in your body. Remember to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for more healthful recipes, and share this video with your loved ones. Stay healthy.